G'day viewers, Chris Atkins here. Welcome back to my channel, The Car Wash Chronicles. Very exciting day for myself because I'm going to my Main Street car wash to install the MONEXgroup Touchless payment processors. And just like you've probably seen in one of my previous videos, I put them in at my Bear Valley car wash, and because they're doing so great, of course I'm going to put them at my Main Street car wash. And it's very exciting to wake up, check my bank account, and it's like, oh, there's more money in there. So it's very exciting and I cannot wait. So I'm going to make a video to show you guys just how easy it is to install these terminals. And what I really like about MONEXgroup terminals is it's all three forms. It's the tap the card, insert the card, or swipe the card. Whereas a lot of these other ones just offer swipe or they just offer tap. But this one, you have all three. So that's obviously why I chose to go with MONEXgroup, but just not that reason. Now my car wash accepts all forms of payment, coins, cash, and credit card, but not just credit card, it's Apple Pay and Google Pay. So you can just hold your phone up to the terminal and it's going to start the machine straight away. And that's very exciting to watch customers do that. And of course, if you're interested in adding MONEXgroup to your self-serve car wash or any other business for that matter, then make sure you click the link in the description below for more information. And with that being said, let's head to my Main Street car wash to see how easy the installation can be. If I can do it, you can do it. So I got my delivery here, very excited. We're going to go ahead and unbox it. Came very quickly, by the way. Maybe like a week. So this is it. I got 5 of them. I got a 5-bay car wash, one for each bay. And they come with some pretty cool stickers here. Some nice instructions. It doesn't get easier than that. Select amount, tap the card. So we got some cool stickers there. And then we have the terminal itself. And I just love the look of these terminals. They're just beautiful. We got the insert, we got the swipe, and you can tap it. Very simple. It's got 4 wires which attach. We're going to show you guys how to do that. And that's it. So let's go ahead and open up the faceplate here. We're going to have to open up both because I'm going to put it on the bill acceptor. I think that's the best spot. It's plenty of room there and it should look pretty good. So we obviously want to make sure it's in the center of the faceplate, make sure it looks good. So first thing to do is to measure it out. Now, once we've marked out the holes on where we want it, we're going to drill the holes. Fairly simple stuff. I'm sure I'm going to get a lot of comments. I'm doing it wrong, but that's okay. It worked. Now I've drilled 2 holes. You actually have to drill 3 holes, one for the wires to go through. So a couple of screws on the back. We're going to take them off and see if it fits. See if I did a good job. And voila, I guess I did an okay job. So we're going to screw that on and do it up pretty tight, and that way it's not going to fall off. So now all I have to do is feed the wires through the bill acceptor box into the coin acceptor box and the faceplate, so to speak. And then we're going to put these little, I don't even know what they're called. Let me know what they're called. Basically they just clip on there, squish them on, and then that's going to connect them right there. That's as easily as I can explain it. Now, obviously, when you're doing this, you're going to want a professional who knows wiring. I don't know wiring. That's me doing it, but he did the hard part, and now I'm just doing this because it's pretty simple. It's just undoing a screw, putting that under there, and then tightening the screw up. So I wouldn't know how to do this without my worker there to guide me through it. But he's the expert. He's the electrician. He knows what he's doing, so he can guide me through it. Because the 3 wires, you have to make sure they get attached to the right colored wires that are already there. You can't just put them in any one. So there is a way to do it. Make sure you have a professional who can guide you through it or do it for you. But that's pretty much as easy as it gets. It's just attaching those wires, and once you attach those wires, then the terminal is going to boot up. Like right now, I attach the wire and it turns on. So let's wait till it boots up and see if it's ready to work. See if it's working. It should. It's a plug and play. So let's find out. And just as I was waiting, this popped up. It said connecting to Wi-Fi, and then I thought, okay, I forgot to plug in the modem. So back inside the motor room, we're going to plug in the modem. So there it is. We're going to unbox it, and it comes all nicely packaged. You know, just a little small black box. And that's the antenna, so that's going to plug into it, which I will show you. an Ethernet cable. And what's under here? What's in this? Oh, this is the adapter, AC adapter, which gives it power. So let's go ahead and plug in the power cord first. And as soon as I plug that in, the lights come on, so that's a good sign, it's working. And then we plug in the antenna, which is easy. And then there's two other wires that you just screw in, and it's all labeled, it's very clear, and it's very simple. So one of them says Wi-Fi and the other one says 4G. So we're gonna go ahead and screw the Wi-Fi into the Wi-Fi, and then screw the 4G into the 4G, and simple, done. So we'll just rest the antenna there for now. I mean, that's probably as good a spot as any. And I went out back to the bay and that was it. It was working. So I'm gonna test it. We're gonna go $2. I'm gonna tap my card on and it works straight away. So plug and play, very simple. 2 minutes on the timer. 4 minutes on the timer, $2 for 4 minutes. And there you have it. Once again, there it is, tap to pay. Great looking terminal. If you're interested and want these at your business, click on the link in my description below. And now I just want to show you the insert, how that works. So you just insert, it says card read, okay, remove it, take it out, it's connecting, then it will say approved or declined. It depends how much money you have in the bank account. And approved, thank God. So $5 for 10 minutes, and there you go. Simple as that. And while I have it working, I may as well hose down my muddy bay. And we're all done. We have the MONEXgroup payment processing at my Main Street car wash now, which I'm very happy about. So we'll keep an eye on the revenue and see what kind of increases we get. But super easy to install. You guys saw it. A couple of wires just connected, and that's pretty much it because they send it to you already programmed. It's a plug and play, and it doesn't get much easier than that. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm Chris Atkins with the Car Wash Chronicles. I'll see you all next time.